Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change screensaver on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, go to display. And display, go to advanced. In advanced, okay, you can see the screensaver. Okay, tap this. And the screen or current screensaver is set into clock. Okay, you can change it by tap the current screensaver. And you can see the option, okay, the clock, the colors, or the photos. Okay, so I change into colors. Okay, tap the colors. And okay, the current saver is set into colors. And okay, you can view this by tap the start now. Okay, the screensaver is set into colors. So I decide to change into clock. Okay, so okay, you can view the screensaver by tap the start now button. And you can see the screensaver is the clock. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the screensaver on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.